Defending your digital life, the growing importance of cybersecurity in today's online world. Hello and welcome to our video on the growing importance of cybersecurity in today's digital age. In this video, we'll be discussing how cybersecurity has become an essential aspect of our lives, why it matters, and what you can do to protect yourself. The digital age has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. From online banking to social media, we use technology for almost everything. However, with the growth of the internet, we have also witnessed a rise in cybercrime. Hackers and cybercriminals are continuously evolving their tactics to steal sensitive information, spread malware, and cause chaos. The consequences of a cyber attack can be devastating. They can result in loss of data, financial losses, identity theft, and even reputational damage. A cyber attack can also affect an organization's productivity, customer trust, and ultimately its bottom line. Therefore, it's critical to understand the importance of cybersecurity in today's digital age. In recent years, we have seen a significant increase in cybercrime, with millions of people and organizations being targeted worldwide. Cybercriminals use a variety of tactics, such as phishing, malware, ransomware, and social engineering, to gain access to sensitive information or computer systems. As more and more people and businesses become connected to the internet, the risk of cyber threats continues to grow. Please support us by liking this video and don't forget to join our ever-growing community. To combat cybercrime, individuals and organizations must take proactive measures to secure their devices and networks. This can involve updating software regularly, using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being vigilant when it comes to suspicious emails or messages. Moreover, companies need to invest in cybersecurity technology such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and antivirus software. They also need to train their employees to recognize and respond to cyber threats effectively. It's worth noting that cybersecurity is not just an IT issue. It's a business risk that affects all aspects of an organization. It's crucial for senior executives and board members to take an active role in developing a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy that aligns with their overall business objectives. A robust cybersecurity strategy should include regular security assessments and risk analyses, incident response plans, employee training, and compliance with relevant regulations and standards. Organizations should also conduct regular backups of their critical data and have a disaster recovery plan in place to minimize the impact of a cyber attack. Moreover, cybersecurity awareness should be a part of our daily lives, just like physical safety. We need to be vigilant when using technology, especially when accessing public Wi-Fi, opening emails, or downloading attachments. We should also use caution when sharing sensitive information on social media or other online platforms. In conclusion, cybersecurity is a critical aspect of our lives in today's digital age. It's no longer just an option but a necessity. We must all take responsibility for securing our devices, networks, and personal information. Remember, prevention is better than cure, and investing in cybersecurity measures now can save you from significant losses in the future. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online. Thanks for watching.